If you are a tailor living in Nigeria and you are not making at least 200,000 naira daily, then this video is for you. Listen attentively, take notes as we proceed. If you implement all these strategies that I'll be giving you, you will end up making even more than 200,000 naira daily as a tailor in this Nigeria. And if you're outside Nigeria, let's say you are in Ghana, Cameroon, Benin Republic, or any other African country, if you follow the steps in this video, you also end up making more money in your currency than you have ever made in your business. Welcome to the channel. My name is Etty, and on this channel we talk about everything money, how to make money, and how to invest the money that you make. And if this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to reach more people. I know that by now you're aware that some people in your industry are already making more than this amount that I'm telling you, and you are always wondering, God, when will it get to my turn? When will I start making this money? Take note, we are about to hit the first point, the first step that you need to do, which is stop doing sew to fit. If you are doing sew to fit, I wonder how many clients you are possibly going to attend to in order to be able to make this amount of money that we are talking about daily. So if you are not doing sew to fit, what will you be doing? That is a very nice question. In case you asked, it's a good question. What you'll be doing instead of sew to fit is that you will be doing ready to wear. You will stop doing sew to fit and you'll start doing ready to wear. So write that down. Now, how are you going to do this? You are going to look for unique designs. If you have any form of creativity in you, look for it. Look for unique designs. You can go to places like Pinterest. You know where you get your design ideas from. Just be sure that you are able to think. Be able to think up some ideas. What can I do if I combine this and this? Will it make sense? How can I combine this style to this style? Don't just be the type of tailor that wants to do, oh, just give me your style and I will give you exactly that. Yeah, oh, no, I cannot think of anything. Just bring your style, I'll replicate it for you. No, you have to be ready to think. You have to be ready to get unique ideas, unique designs that when someone sees it, they will want to have it and they will want to have it from you. Number 3, you will go out to source for these fabrics. Source for fabrics that you can use to create the unique designs that you've already sketched down or you've saved on your phone that you want to create on. Go out and source for this fabric. And when you are sourcing for the fabric, ensure that you are telling your supplier or the person you are buying from that you are a tailor, you sew, and that you are starting ready to wear. So you will be needing more fabrics, you'll be needing more materials that you can use to sew. Just start talking to establish some sort of trust, some sort of relationship, because you will be needing this in future. So ensure that you are not just buying like an end user. Establish some sort of trust, establish some sort of relationship so that the supplier will be able to build trust in you. And when next you are buying something, you go back to same supplier. That way you'll be able to build trust that we'll be using later on in this video. Number 4, go ahead and sew this clothes. Remember, you are now doing ready to wear. You are no longer doing sew to fit. You are not waiting for a customer to bring their fabric to you and give you a style for you to sew. So go ahead and sew these fabrics that you've bought. If you will be the person to model this outfit, we are getting to that. You sew your size, but if you are not the one to model the outfit, you are going to sew the size of the model, the size of the person that will wear this outfit for you to make videos and post. So do not sew every single size out there. Sew your size or sew the size of your model and sew something very beautiful and unique. Number 5, the next step you'll be doing after sewing is for you to model. Remember, you're not just going to sew one design. Make sure that you're sewing at least 5. If you can start with 5 designs, they are not bad. Make sure you sew at least 5 designs so that you give people options. Apart from giving people option, one customer can buy all 5 designs from you. But if you have just one design, one customer will possibly not want to buy just one design 5 times if they are not wholesalers. So you want to have at least 5 so that one of your customers can buy all the designs. After sewing, Get a model. If you are going to be the model, ensure that you look very good. You look very beautiful. Hire a professional makeup artist. Don't say, I can do my makeup. No. Hire a professional makeup artist. Make a very beautiful hair or wig, and then wear this outfit in a nice place. Wear this outfit in a beautiful place. If your house is not fine, your shop is not fine, go to a hotel. This is investment that you are doing. Either you go and rent a hotel space or you go and use the outside of the hotel. Just talk to the hotel manager. Tell the person you just want to showcase your clothes and make videos. Maybe you can look for small money and give to the manager if they don't give it to you for free. But most likely they might want to charge you because it's business that you are doing, unless you know someone that owns a place like that, or someone that owns a beautiful place that you can use. Or if you don't want to use a hotel, and let's say you have a space, you have a white wall, or your wall is not white, you can paint it white. You can just paint a small space white. Look for a flower, a beautiful flower, keep it there. Buy ring light. Make your video bright and beautiful. Remember, if this outfit is not looking fine, you the person modeling it, or your model is not looking beautiful, your customers won't see themselves in it and they will not want to buy. So you have to ensure that you are looking very good and beautiful, or your model is looking very good. So you understand what I mean. So you have to ensure you are looking very good and beautiful. Let's say you can't afford a model for now. Look very good, look very beautiful and attractive, and make sure your video is bright. Make sure your video is bright. Now, how you are going to make the video? You wear the outfit the way it is. You put on your heels. Don't wear slippers. Don't walk barefooted. Put on your shoes, your fine shoes that matches with the outfit, and then step out. Just 5 seconds video is okay. 5 to 7 seconds video. Don't go and make long videos. Algorithm doesn't like long videos. 5 to 7 seconds video. Play music in the background so that you will have this happy vibe. Play music in the background. Showcase the clothes. Turn around. Show the back. Turn. Show it again. And that is all. That is all. Repeat the same thing for the other 5 outfits that you've already made. And after doing that, what do? Put out the videos, and the next step is to run ads on them. Run ads. Compile all of them into one video and use it to run ads. Now, how are you going to price? When you are starting this ready-to-wear business, please don't start with expensive fabric unless you know that you have the market for it already. But if you know you don't have the market for it, you are still struggling with sew to fit, don't start with expensive fabric. Start with cheap fabric. Yes, start with cheap fabric that you can afford to sell for cheap, that after sewing and everything, you don't even need to put lining, because if you add lining to it, your price will go up. So start with cheap fabric that you can afford to sew for, let's say 6,000 naira, 6,500, 7,000 naira to 30,000 naira, depending. But if you know that you are just very new in this game, you are not making money, you've not been selling online, I will advise you to even start with 7,000 naira. 7,000 naira. What you are trying to do is that you are trying to attract your customers first. Attract them. These same customers that are coming to buy clothes of 6,000 naira, 5,000 or 7,000 naira, they are the same customers that will come and buy 30,000 naira clothes from you. So what are you going to do? Use this to attract them to yourself. When they see the beautiful designs that you have and they see the price point, the next thing that will come to their mind, oh, if I want to sew this clothes with my tailor, they're going to charge me, the charge alone that they will charge me is like 5,000 naira. And then how much is fabric? And then I'll be waiting. And then this, the next thing, they want to order from you. Okay, let's do like this. You don't have money to buy plenty fabrics and keep. You are just starting. You are just managing. You are going to run ads and you will tell your customers, this clothes that I'm selling, you are going to get it in the next 1 month. You are going to get it between 20th to 30th of March. And then you are doing it in February, for instance. You will get it at a later stage, let's say 3 weeks to 1 month, so that by the time these orders come in, you are going to take these orders, collect their monies, take it to your suppliers, buy, and come and sew. Now, this is the time for you to hire a tailor on commission. If you have a lot of orders, because you are going to run ads, and the orders that you will get depends on the amount of ads that you've been running on, and if you have an influencer, an added advantage. So you will get this Tailor on commission, and they are going to sew this out for you, and you will deliver them to your customers. Easy peasy. If you do this, you make over ₦1 million. Let's say you can invest 50,000 naira on ads and you make over ₦1 million naira. Following this strategy, and your price point is low. Emphasis on your price point is low. For a start, your price point is low. Now, what you are going to do, when your customers buy this clothes, they are going to send you feedback. When they rock the clothes, they will send you feedback and you start posting them. But that doesn't mean that you are going to wait for your customer to send you feedback before you continue using your page. You keep bringing up new designs, post new ideas, and then you are going to keep selling even when you are not running sales. As long as you keep running ads, you will keep selling. Now, where do you advertise your clothes? You are going to advertise them on Instagram. That is where you are going to get very fast results. Very fast results on Instagram. Advertise them on Instagram. As time goes on, when you are scaling, you can put this clothes on the website. Put it on the website, hire more tailors, get more clothes from your suppliers. You can even ask your suppliers to give you these fabrics on credit, and when you sell, you are going to pay them. If you've been able to build the trust that I told you to build earlier, they will give you this fabric on credit because they know that you will come back and pay them the money. Now, this is just the simple step. I don't want this video to be longer than it is supposed to be. Go and try this out if you are a tailor, and see if you will not see great changes in your business. Now, if you can do more than 5 designs, remember, everything I'm saying is not cast on stone. If you can do more than 5 designs, you can do up to 10 designs, then go ahead and do it. If you have the money to produce more and keep, you can also go ahead and do it. But if you don't have the money, or you just want to test the waters, don't sew. Don't sew, okay? Just so that you will know the size to even sew. So don't sew it and keep. When they place their order, you will know the size to sew. Now, this is one thing that you can also do. Since size 14 to 16 usually takes up more fabric, you're not going to sell size 14 to 16 at the same price you will sell size 8 to size 12. So let's say size 14 to 16, you can add extra 2,000 naira because they take up more fabric, or extra 3,000 naira because they take up more fabric. And this is how you'll be able to break even. You are going to break even, and then rinse and repeat, and in no time your bank account will be smiling and you'll be smiling also. Let me know if you've tried out these strategies before, or if you find these strategies helpful. Comment in the comment section below. I want to know. And also, let me use this time to also tell you about my ebook. I have an ebook on YouTube. If you want to start a YouTube channel and you are looking for the right step-by-step strategy to follow in order to start and grow your YouTube channel, then you should definitely check out my ebook on how to make money on YouTube. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So please like this video and subscribe, and share it with any tailor friend that you know, or any tailor. Share it on your status, because you don't know who is going to find this video very helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.